Welcome back to the channel Stock Market News Beat the Index. Today we'll speak about the companies to hold forever. Some of these stocks have a 200-year history. Firstly, it is AbbVie. It has placed in a solid performance since its March 2020 lows, flooding from close $65 to more than $160 at present for a staggering increase of generally 150%. Notwithstanding, AbbVie's genuine potential lies in predictable long-haul results alongside liberal profits. This organization has expanded its profit by over 250% quite promptly. The dividend yield is 3.2%. The second one is Consolidated Edison Incorporated, which is probably the oldest stock in America. Furthermore, in January Con Ed indented its 48th consecutive annual increase in dividends for investors, the longest time of continuous yearly profit increments of any utility stock in the S&P 500. Whatever the future holds, you should rest assured about consistent power interest in the metro New York region that Ed serves. That makes this a stock to purchase and hold for the long stretch. Profit yield is 3.3%. The third organization is Boston Properties. It is a real estate investment trust, or REIT. This unique class of organization is conceded tax reductions to assist it with working in the capital-intensive arena of real estate, yet in return should convey 90% of available payback to shareholders. With in excess of 50 million square feet across about 200 in-demand properties, you should be sure assured top-level inhabitants in flourishing U.S. urban communities will need a compartment in BXP structures for the predictable future. Dividend yield is 3.0%. The fourth profitable company is Johnson & Johnson. This organization has a rich history and a prevailing name in the medical care area. Johnson & Johnson has the monetary record to back up its image power. Think about that. Close by Microsoft Corp., J&J is one of only two AAA positioned U.S. stocks with regards to WET ratings. Or on the other hand, that the organization has expanded its as of now liberal profit once every year for an astounding 60 years running. Dividend yield is 2.4%. One of the most iconic asset managers on the planet, $150 billion monetary stalwart Morgan Stanley isn't going anyplace at any point in the near future. It's now a forerunner in wealth management and investment solutions, yet it keeps on developing at a lively speed. A valid example, last year alone, it added $1 trillion in resources under administration, or AUM, and is plotting a way to $10 trillion in complete AUM. The close to future. Dividend yield is 3.1%. The last one is Prudential Financial Incorporated, which is one of the strongest investments out there, like a stone. It offers broadened tasks across operations across insurance, investment management and other monetary items around the world. This almost $50 billion organization has a large group of beneficial business lines that offer predictable and dependable outcomes. Furthermore, with a liberal profit that is just about 33% of complete benefits, and subsequently prone to increment after some time regardless of whether benefits flood fundamentally higher, income investors have a great deal of motivating force to hold tight for the long haul in this driving organization. Profit yield is 4.0%. Many investors decide to put their investments in profitable and constantly rising organizations. If you'd like to put your money in companies with dividend growth streak, click the previous video on our YouTube channel.